Hey there, cookie lovers! Get ready to wrangle up some serious deliciousness with my absolute favorite Cowboy Cookies recipe. These aren't just any cookies. They're a hearty, satisfying treat packed with flavor and texture. Perfect for any occasion, big or small. Imagine a cookie loaded with rolled oats, rich chocolate chips, sweet shredded coconut, and crunchy pecans. That's the magic of a Cowboy cookie. Every bite is an adventure for your taste buds, a perfect blend of chewy, sweet, and nutty. Making these is super straightforward. You'll cream together butter and sugars, then add eggs and vanilla. Next, mix in your dry ingredients, followed by all those wonderful mix-ins. Scoop them onto a baking sheet, and into the oven they go. These cookies are incredibly versatile and always a crowd pleaser. They're fantastic for lunchboxes, potlucks, or just a cozy evening treat with a glass of milk. You'll love how easy they are to make and how utterly delicious they taste. So grab your apron and your ingredients, because it's time to whip up a batch of these incredible Cowboy cookies. Trust me, your family and friends will be asking for this recipe again and again. Happy baking, everyone!